Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that need to remove or replace throttle body on BMW F30, F31, F34. This is guys the 3 Series BMW from year 2012 to year 2019. But before we start, let me introduce you guys to the channel. If you need to buy any parts, tools, throttle body, anything for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. And you can see where we get all our tools and parts from guys for a good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. But specifically on this generation BMW, we will have probably close to 500 videos. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. So let me show you what we have and what we'll be working on. This specifically is the BMW with an N20 and 26 engine, so 320, 328, we'll use exactly the same engine. If you have a different BMW guys, different engine, the procedure still will be very close and almost identical, and you will know what to do, so make sure you stay until the end. Now, if you want to see some testing, diagnostics, electrical videos on that car, check out this channel. This is our second channel and we'll be putting all the electronic videos there guys, so we'll have quite helpful information. Subscribe, we'll have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So the only thing you will notice, we're missing our air filter box. Just ignore that. We'll be doing some major repairs here and we need to take things apart, and in the meantime we decided to show you how to remove the throttle body. It's pretty simple guys. Okay, and once in a while you have to remove and clean them as well. What you need to do, okay, we need to pull that vacuum line out gently, okay, like that. Then this metal clamp, it needs to come up. Okay, check it out, it came up like that, perfect. And once it comes up like that, you can see there is a tooth right here that it gets stuck at. Leave it this way. You need to grab that hose with 2 hands, wiggle it, okay, and pull it out of the throttle body. Okay, we almost got the vacuum line, so be careful. Okay, just like that. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna come on this side and show you what else we're going to do. We will need to get, guys, a 10mm socket now, 10mm socket, and we'll need to start removing, okay, we'll start removing 4 bolts. But let's cover that intake hose so we don't drop anything inside of it. Okay, just like that. So let's see if we can remove the one on the bottom first, because they're harder to reach compared to the top ones, to see exactly where they are as well. Okay, I can see it, okay, right here towards the top is one of them. Okay, you can see it's very inconvenient place guys. Okay, but we'll show you where it is. So you can see we're getting it loose. It's actually a screw, it's not a bolt guys, because it's a plastic manifold. You will see, not a big fan of those screw type designs, but it still works. Haven't had problem with one at the shop, so it's very important when you get it tight not to over tighten it, or you will most likely cause damage, and that could end up into getting a new intake manifold, which could be very costly, very expensive, and hurting your wallet guys, so always be careful. Okay, we're almost out with this one. It's so hard to get this one out because it's a little bit hard to see guys there. You cannot actually see it, you have to like feel it with your fingers only. So we switched to the little ratchet. The big one is a little bit inconvenient, so the little one gives us a little bit more room. And I think it will come out easy when the screw comes loose. It's very, very important guys not to drop it. Okay, you have to be careful because it's hard to hunt for those things. Okay, check it out now. This is it, this is the screw, that's what it looks like. You can see how old it is, it's just a screw, it's on a bolt. We have another one on the bottom, and this one is a little bit harder to get to. Okay, so we'll show you what we need to do. So we actually pre-loosen the bottom screw because it's an inconvenient place, guys, and I don't want to waste your time. Okay, just like the first one. Now we have two on top that we need to do. Okay, we're almost getting there. Third one, then we have one more, which should be the last one. Very important, guys, again, as I said, not to over tighten them. So that's good. Let's just remove the fourth one now. It's going to drop, and later we need to disconnect the wiring harness as well. Okay, perfect. Now let's see what we have here. Okay, we need to disconnect one hose. Okay, and let me show you what we need to do here for a second. The hose is the one that it's a vacuum hose, guys, vacuum line. So this hose, okay, I'm talking about this hose right here. You need to grab it, okay, with two fingers. There is two places where you squish towards each other, and we're gonna pull it out. So let me just get it loose and I'll show you. So once we remove the throttle body, I'll be able to actually explain to you guys how we disconnected this hose. Okay, right here, you can see on this side you have one tap, one on the other one, it's 180 degrees of this one. You squish both of them, you have two clips on top, two teeth holding it in place, and after that you can just pull it out, and this is, guys, your throttle body. Okay, coming out. We need to disconnect the wiring harness. So let's see if it's gonna come all the way out, or we'll need to actually, okay, we'll need to disconnect this wiring here. No, don't pull too much. Okay. This wiring harness needs to come out because you're going to pull the wires out and you can cause quite a bit of damage to your vehicle. Now, if you are afraid that you're going to break the vacuum line, disconnect it as well, guys, because otherwise, okay, it could be an expensive fix. Now, the only thing that we have left, disconnect, okay, we need to disconnect the clip here, okay, with the wiring harness. So we press down there and we will pull it out. Okay, it's stuck, I can see it here. So okay, now it should come out. Okay, perfect. I want to show you everything with a great detail because you weren't able to see it, guys. This clip, okay, is the one that we're talking about. There is a thing that you press on the back, okay, right there, and when you press it, releases that tooth. Sometimes you have to like pick it up a little bit on the front side. This is the vacuum line, okay, that we disconnected right here, and the throttle body, you can see it's out of there now. So you can see, guys, this is the throttle body. It came out definitely not dirty at all for 70,000 miles, but we have a special video that explains how to clean it. If you have a bad throttle body, guys, try cleaning them first. That can solve your problem, and that can be the least expensive option. If not, if you need one, I'll put the link in the description of the video below to the new throttle body. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.